Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Today I am going to teach you some problems of exercise 10V of the topic percentage. So let us start question number 1. In question number 1, in an election, there were two candidates A and B. The total number of votes in this constituency was 60,000 and 80% of the total votes were polled. If 60% of the polled votes were cast in favor of A, how many votes were received by B? The first of all, we find total votes were polled. The total number of votes here given 60,000 and 80% of total votes were polled. So into 80%, 60,000 into 80% means 80 upon 100. Cancel double zero. 8 6 ja 48. Put the triple zero. The total votes were polled 48,000. Is it clear? First we find favor of A. First we find favor of A. Polled votes. The total polled votes 48,000. In the questions given 60% of the polled votes. So into 60% polled votes favor of A. 48,000 into 60% means 60 upon 100. 0 0 cancel out. We multiply 6 8 ja 48. Carry 4. 6 4 ja 24 plus 4 28. Put the double zero. Next find favor of B. Polled votes. The total number of polled votes 48,000. In 48,000, 28,800 polled votes for favor of A. So we subtract here. We get 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, 10 minus 8, 2, 7 minus here, 17 minus 8, 9, 3 minus 2, 1. So we get 19,200. The total votes, hence total votes received by B is equal to 19,200. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, a property dealer charges commission at the rate of 2% on the first 2 lakh, 1% on the next 2 lakh and 0.5% on the remaining price. Find his commission on the property that has been sold for 5,40,000. So here find out the total commission. Is it clear? So here write total commission on the property. is equal to, in the questions given, the rate of 2% on the first 2 lakh. The first 2 lakh percentage given here 2% plus next 2 lakh given percentage 1%. Our next part given 0.5% on the remaining price. The total price 5,40,000. But commission here 2 lakh means 4 lakh charges here. So we subtract 4 lakh. This remaining price take the commission 0.5%. 0.5%. In lastly given 0.5% on the remaining price. Here remaining price 5,40,000 minus 4 lakh of 0.5%. This is total commission of the property dealer. We solve this equation. Here write 2 lakh. 2% percentage remove here means 2 upon 100. Is it clear? Next 2 lakh right here. 1% means 1 upon 100 plus 5,40,000 minus 4 lakh. So we get 1,40,000. Is it clear? 0.5% means 0.5 upon remove the percentage to divide by 100. Is it clear? When here decimal remove here, so write in denominator 10 because decimal here after 1 digit. So write 10. Cancel out 0, 0, 000. So here 000 cancel out. Also here 00 cancel out. Is it clear? We multiplied 2 to 4,000 plus 2,000 into 1 2,000 plus 14 5 70 और here 0 1 तो write 10. Is it clear? Added 4,000 plus 2,000 plus 700. We get 6,700. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, the population of a town increases 10% annually. If its present population is 60,000, what will be its population after 2 years? So here find the population of the town after 2 years is equal to, in the question given present population is 60,000. Is it clear? Into the population of the town after 2 years, here asks, or annually increase 10%. The population of a town increase 10% annually. The 10% annually increase, use the plus sign. So here 1 plus 10%. So 10% means 10 upon 100. When the increase, here use the sign plus. When it decrease, use the sign of minus. So this statement write for 1 year. लेकिन here given 2 years. So again write this type 1 plus 10 upon 100. Is it clear? when asked after 3 years, the we multiply by again 1 plus 10 upon 100. After 4 years, the again multiply. Is it clear? But here asked after 2 years, the we multiply 1 plus 10 upon 100 into 1 plus 10 upon 100 2 times. Here 60,000 into, we solve, take the LCM. Here in denominator 1 and 100, take the LCM 100. 100 plus 10, we get 110 upon 100 into, similarly here 110 upon 100. 0 0 cancel out, again 0 0 cancel out. Here 600 into 11 into 11, we get 121. First of all 121 multiply by 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, carry 1, 6 1 ja 6 plus 1 7, put the double zero. This is your required answer. Is it clear? I hope you will complete the exercise 10B with the help of this video. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.